Hello friends, I am Devinder Singh Chawla. Today once again I have come before you with a new video. In this video we'll discuss how to get PR of Canada, that is permanent residency of Canada. So let's start the video. So as I have already told you that in this video we'll discuss about how to get the PR or permanent residency of Canada. So first of all I want to tell you this program is run by the federal government of Canada under the name of Express Entry program. In this program, you can apply for getting the PR of Canada straight directly from India or from your home country. And this, when you submit the application form in under this program, it takes around 4 to 6 months for processing your file. So that is the minimum time that they require for processing your file. It can take more than 6 months also, but minimum it will take 4 months, and around 4 to 6 months it will take to process your file. So the main benefit of this program is that you can shift to Canada after getting the PR of Canada as a permanent resident with your family. So if you will apply for your full family, your whole family will get a PR of Canada. So now let us understand why Canada needs lot of immigrant, why they are inviting immigrant from other countries. Canada's population is around 37 million people, and within next few months around 25% of the Canadian population is going to retire. Like around 9 million people are going to retire. So they need more immigrants to run their country. They have to run all their public utility services, their transportation, and their hospitals and all the departments. For that they require immigrants. So they are, that's why they are inviting the immigrants from other countries. So they have started this program of Express Entry program, it is called. In that you this is all point based system, in which if you get a certain points, so you automatically qualify for the for immigration of to Canada as PR. So let me tell you, there are 4 main points in it which help in getting you the required CRS point. I mean, nowadays the CRS cutoff ratio is around cutoff points are between 450 to 470. If you get CRS score of 450 to 470, you get an invitation to apply for immigration to Canada. So what are the 4 main points you require to fulfill those conditions? First of all, your age should be less than 30 years. The applicant who is applying for PR to Canada, his or her age should be less than 30 years on the date of submission of application form. So if your age is more than 30 years, then you have got very less chances of getting the PR of Canada. So after 30 years means it doesn't mean that you cannot go there and you cannot go to Canada. You can go to Canada on other visas, like other visas like study permit, like spouse open work permit, or tourist visa. There are many other visas on which you can go there. So this is only for the PR, those who want to go there with their family on as a PR. So, and the second point, please note down, is that you should have a master's degree in your qualification should be master's degree. You should have a master's degree in your stream, like having MBA, MTech, MCom, MA, or MD, whatever stream you are having your study, you should have a master's degree in that. And after that, the third point is that you should have 3 years work experience in your field. Like if you are a manager, you are an MBA, you should have a 3 years experience, minimum 3 years experience in your field. Like MTech, you should have engineering experience of 3 years. If you are, whatever work you are doing, whatever job you are doing, whatever, like if you are a teacher, you should have at least an experience of 3 years. Whatever, I mean, like if you are in accounts and finance, you should have an experience of 3 years. Or as a doctor, you should, or as an engineer, you should have an experience of 3 years. Or if even if you are doing a business, you should have at least a 3 year experience of running your business. Yeah, you should have documents to prove that thing. You should, because you have to submit those documents with your application form to prove that you have got a 3 year experience in your field of work. So these are the 3 main points. If you are lacking any of the points, so then it becomes difficult for you to get the PR of Canada. This is for the rules which are in force now in the present. I am recording this video on 3rd of June 2020. So nowadays, whatever is the rule, I am making the video according to that. All these rules you can check on the Canadian Embassy's website also. All these things are given on that also. So, and last but not the least, that is the 4th point, is that you have to clear, you should have a IELTS score also for applying for this PR of Canada, and in that you should have CLB 9. And what is CLB? I tell you, CLB means Canadian Language Benchmark. Once again, I tell you, CLB means Canadian Language Benchmark, and that should be equal to 9 if you want to qualify under this program. So in this, you have to clear IELTS General. Let me tell you that IELTS there are two types of IELTS. One is IELTS Academic and one is IELTS General. If you want to go to Canada on study visa or study permit, then you have to clear IELTS Academic. And if you are applying for PR to Canada, then you have to appear for IELTS General. And IELTS General, in that you should have CLB 9. CLB 9 means 8777. Your band score should be 8777. There are 4 modules in IELTS. One is listening, then other is reading, then writing and speaking. And for 8777, the score should be like this: 8 for listening. Please note, you should have 8 band in listening, and in other modules like reading, writing and speaking, it should be 7 each. Minimum 7 each. So that is the minimum score requirement for qualifying under this program. So you should have CLB 9. That is 8777. So please note it down. After you have all these 4 points, you have completed all these 4 points, you will get a CRS score of 450 to 470. So on the basis of this CRS score, that is called Comprehensive Ranking System, you will get an invitation to apply for immigration to Canada. So you can qualify under this, and with that you can move there with your whole family as a permanent resident of Canada. So you very well know what are the benefits of being a PR of Canada. You enjoy all the facilities and rights of the citizens of Canada. And after some time, after living there as a PR for some time, you can become the citizen of Canada also. So that was all the things which I wanted to tell you. So please note, these are the 4 main points you require to get a PR visa to Canada. If any agent or any consultant is saying, if you don't have any of these points, and after that some agent or consultant says that no problem, you apply, we'll get you a PR, permanent residency of Canada, on the basis of whatever document you have, please be aware that agent is making a fool of you, or he is taking you for a ride, or he just want to have some money and make fool of you and waste your time. Please be careful. That is my knowledge which I have given to you. It is up to you to decide what you want to do. So that was the basic knowledge I wanted to give. And if you have any, I hope that you have got the answer to many of your questions. And if you have any questions or doubt in your mind, you can call me on my mobile number that is given in the description below and clarify it. And moreover, I hope that you must have liked my video. If you have liked my video, please press the like button and share it with your friends, relatives and family members. And please subscribe to my channel. And after subscribing to my channel, you will find a bell icon in front of the subscribe button. You please press it so that you get notification of my new videos from time to time. And one more thing which I tell in all the videos which I make is that if you want to get your visa file for Canada made free of cost, you can contact me on my mobile number given below, and you can fix an appointment with me and come to my office and get your visa file prepared free of cost. So if you have any other questions also, you can ask me on that on phone and get the clarification. And one more book I have written for you is this. So this also I give in all the videos. I have written a book for you to help you in preparing your file by yourself. You don't need the help of anyone else, any agent or consultant. You can prepare your file at home by yourself by going through this book. So this book contains all the forms which you have to fill up and all the documents which you have to attach with your file. So I have given the specimen copies and samples of all the documents you have to submit with your file to the embassy or VFS for getting your Canada visa. The price of this book is 250 rupees only. So you can send this payment through money order or Paytm to my Paytm number which I have given below in the description. So in this book I have given my mobile number also. If after reading this book you have any doubt and you are not understanding anything, you can call me on my mobile number. I will give you all the information. I will guide you how to make your file by yourself. So that was all for today. Okay, bye.